Here we have a 2026 Suzuki Jimny XL 5-door, fitted in black water resistant canvas front and rear. We'll start with the front pair. Separate headrests. Seat covers are custom made to the shape of the Jimny seat. Our seat covers go inside the capping, so it leaves access to your tilt levers on the side. Door side of the backrest, you've got airbag provision. Then on the back of the front backrest, this customer has optioned open mat pocket access. This is an XL model, so it has an air mat pocket on both driver and passenger. You also have the option to do full canvas down the back of the seat covering the mat pocket. That's optional for no extra fee either way. Now we're on to the rear seat, so it's a 50-50 split backrest. Separate headrest as standard. Base has access to the buckles in the middle, and because our seat covers are custom made, you've got the 50-50 backrest as I mentioned, can still split fold independent of each other. Access to the top tether points and latching to return the seat back into place. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. I'll put a couple of still photos at the end of the vid. Cheers.